Hello friends! Hola amigos! Welcome to AriPop! Look what I have over here. Let's learn some words in Spanish. Are you ready? Yes? Let's go!
AriPop, come on, let's go. El mundo alegría, todo en que let's go. Jump up high, touch the sky, watch us soar. 1, 2, 3, let's count some more. Colors bright and sounds that gleam. AriPop's magic makes us beam. AriPop, come on, let's go. El mundo alegría, todo en que AriPop, come on, let's go. El mundo alegría, todo en que let's go.
This is the color green. In Spanish we say verde. Can you say verde? Look, it's a frog. It's verde. Look, it's pink. Rosado. It's a pink piggy. Un cerdito rosado. Can you say rosado? Rosado. Yes, good job. Look, yellow. Amarillo. It's a yellow crayon. Un crayón amarillo. Can you say amarillo? Amarillo. Good job. Let's see what else we have. It's the color red. Rojo. And it's an apple. Una manzana roja. Can you say rojo? Rojo. Look, it's the color blue. Azul. And it's a blue bird. Un pájaro azul. Can you say azul? Azul. Yes. Brown. It's the color brown. Marrón. In Spanish is marrón. Can you say marrón? And it's a horse. Un caballo marrón. I have a few more. Look, it's the color orange. Anaranjado. Or sometimes just naranja. And it's a carrot. Una zanahoria naranja. Can you say naranja or anaranjado? Anaranjado. Naranja. Good job. And the last one is the color purple. Morado, like my shirt. Can you say morado? And look, grapes. Uvas. Uvas moradas. What color is your shirt? ¡Qué divertido! Look around. You can see colors everywhere. But my favorite color is the color pink. What is your favorite color? If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to watch new episodes of AriPop every Saturday. Adios!
Goodbye, my friends, it's time to go. Adios, amigos, don't you know? The sun will shine and the stars will glow. We'll meet again.